Properties of real numbers.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from learnfatafat.com.
If p and q are two integers and q is not 0, then the numbers which can be expressed in p by q form are rational numbers, and the numbers which cannot be expressed in p by q form are irrational numbers.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
The collection of rational numbers and irrational numbers is called real numbers. It is denoted by capital R. For doing operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication or division on real numbers, we must understand their properties. So let's learn some of the properties of real numbers. Commutative property. For rational numbers, order of addition or multiplication can be changed, but order of subtraction or division cannot be changed. So, addition or multiplication of rational numbers is commutative, while subtraction or division of rational numbers is not commutative. For irrational numbers also, the order of addition or multiplication can be changed, but order of subtraction or division cannot be changed. So addition or multiplication of irrational numbers is commutative, while subtraction or division of irrational numbers is not commutative. Now if we consider rational and irrational numbers together, then we call them real numbers. Here, like rational and irrational numbers, addition or multiplication of real numbers follow commutativity, but subtraction or division of real numbers is not commutative.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Associative property. The addition or multiplication of rational numbers can be grouped in any way, but subtraction or division of rational numbers cannot be grouped in any way. So addition or multiplication of rational numbers is associative, while subtraction or division of rational numbers is not associative. For irrational numbers also, the addition or multiplication can be grouped in any way, but subtraction or division cannot be grouped in any way. So like rational numbers, addition or multiplication of irrational numbers is associative, while subtraction or division of irrational numbers is not associative. For real numbers, that is, rational and irrational numbers together, the addition or multiplication is associative, while subtraction or division is not associative. Distributive property. A multiplied by B plus minus C is equals to A multiplied by B plus minus A multiplied by C. The multiplication of rational numbers can be distributed over addition as well as subtraction. Similarly, the multiplication of irrational numbers can also be distributed over addition or subtraction. If there are rational as well as irrational numbers, then such multiplication can also be distributed over addition as well as subtraction.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Closure property. The addition, subtraction, multiplication or division of rational numbers always result in a rational number. That is, addition, subtraction, multiplication or division of rational numbers follow closure property. But this is not true in case of irrational numbers. The addition, subtraction, multiplication or division of irrational numbers can be irrational or it can be rational as well. For example, the addition of irrational numbers 3 root 2 and 2 root 2 is 5 root 2, which is an irrational number. But the addition of irrational numbers root 6 and minus root 6 is 0, which is a rational number. In the same way, the subtraction, multiplication or division of two irrational numbers can be irrational or it can be rational as well. When we speak about mathematical operation between one rational number and one irrational number, then we observe following facts. The addition or subtraction of a rational number and an irrational number is irrational. For example, 0 plus minus under root 2 is equals to plus minus root 2 is an irrational number. The multiplication or division of a non-zero rational number with an irrational number is irrational. For example, 2 multiplied by root 2 equals to 2 root 2, which is irrational. The multiplication of irrational number by rational number 0 is 0, which is a rational number. In addition to these properties, there are other properties as well.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Here are those. Additive identity. Rational as well as irrational numbers have 0 as their additive identity. That is, addition with 0 gives same number. Multiplicative identity. Rational as well as irrational numbers have 1 as their multiplicative identity. That is, multiplication with 1 gives same number. Additive inverse. For any rational or irrational number, there exists another number such that their sum is 0. Such numbers are additive inverse of each other. Multiplicative inverse or reciprocal. If the product of any two rational number or any two irrational numbers is 1, then those numbers are reciprocals of each others. Now let's learn some of the properties of order relation on real numbers. If A and B are two real numbers, then only one of the relations holds good. That is, A equals to B, or A is less than B, or A is greater than B. For example, consider 2 and 3. Here, as 2 is less than 3, we can only write this relation. We cannot write 2 equals to 3 or 2 is greater than 3. This is true for all real numbers. If A is less than B and B is less than C, then A is less than C. For example, consider 2, 3 and 4. Here, 2 is less than 3 and 3 is less than 4. Then it implies that 2 is less than 4, which is true, and hence proves the property. If A is less than B, then A plus C is less than B plus C. For example, consider 2, 3 and 4. We know that 2 is less than 3. Let's add 4 in both sides. That is, 6 is less than 7, which is true according to property as well.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
If A is less than B and C is greater than 0, then AC is less than BC. For example, consider 2, 3 and 4. We know that 2 is less than 3. Let's multiply 4, which is greater than 0, to both sides. Here we get 2 multiplied by 4 equals to 8, and on this side 3 multiplied by 4 becomes 12. Clearly 8 is less than 12, which proves the stated property. But if C is less than 0, then AC is greater than BC. Let's take C equals to minus 4. So as 2 is less than 3, multiplying both sides by minus 4, this side becomes minus 8 and this side becomes minus 12. Here minus 8 is greater than minus 12. This proves the stated property. So I hope you understood the explained topic very well. Thanks for watching this video.
Like, share and subscribe learnfataфат.com and press the bell icon to never miss an updates from learnfataфат.com.